guys, today I want to introduce you the style Ponytai, body wig, eye tip and ponytail. First, to have a complete wig, just 2 to 3 bundles and one closer will create a thick and shiny wig like this. Next is the eye tip Ponytai. Eye tip has the ability to give a user a national look and allow them to freely use and experiment with different hairstyles for a long time. The Ponytail is connected with Magic Tie. It is an easy tool to handle the ponytail on your hair. Virgin hair ponytail extensions are uniquely designed to add volume and length to a regular ponytail instantly. If you want to own this hair, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.